Galing sa baba, patungo sa taas. Wala kaming pake sa mga di naniwala. Galing sa baba, patungo sa taas. Money making everyday as if wala nang bukas. Galing sa baba, patungo sa taas. Huwag kang matakot madapa hanggat wala ka na pala. Galing sa baba, patungo sa taas. Money making everyday as if wala nang bukas.
Call Nation.
Yo mga ka-drive-by, Pao B nga na naman. We're back at it with another, XB track. So I think this is a 4 of 5 na i-react natin ngayon. So last time, na-react natin is yung isang English track nila. Title nito, Make Her Dance. So it's about like strip clubs and, money. Make her dance. Bands can make her dance, money can make her dance and stuff like that. So, ngayon, ang re-react natin, excuse me, ang re-react natin is, isa pang, ito pang isang English track nila. Ang title nito is All Night. So, expect nating vibes dito na pang party. Pero, parang all night parang so pang party. So I'm not pretty sure na kung medyo nakalimutan ko na, hindi ko na masyado siyang pinapakinggan, and literally hindi ko siya talaga pinakinggan kasi I just wanted to savor kung ano yung ma-absorb natin dito sa reaction na to, no mga tol. So ano pa ba yun. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-tune in sa last kong video, and syempre sa mga shoutout sa inyong lahat, and ibabalik natin yung shoutouts na yan pag naayos ko na yung tamang schedule ko na gagawin for everyday. And like I told last time, na pasensya na kung hindi ko nagagawa lahat. So alam niyo yun, family man, we do have our priorities, and just hang out with you guys. This is just an extra time from me na mag-hangout tayo kung ano man na ang re-react natin. Kaya ako nagre-react, wala na rin ako masyadong pakialam sa monetization, because pansinin nyo, wala na masyadong nag-react kasi wala nang pera doon, kasi like almost all of the music are already copyrighted pag ni-release na. So yun, hindi na to, it's just not this is not about money anymore. This is about you and me interacting each other. Let's build a community. So yun, tuloy na natin, no? Punta na tayo sa kabila. There you go. Ready na pala ako, no? Ano ko lang to? Yeah. Okay. Ready na ba tayo lahat? Ready na tayong lahat? Play na natin to. Bago pala ako magsimula, ganun ulit yung setup nila. Yung mga chicks dito is high-end chicks. Yun na. Ano ba yun ba? That's what you called ba? That's what you called high-end chicks. Na, yun, basta yun. So, tuloy natin.
Baby, you can call me anytime. You're horny. Tell me when to pull up then.
Ooh. So, yun, yung vibes ng beat is pang party, pero parang more like a chill. Tapos, tuloy natin.
I'll be by your door, or maybe you can come around mine and let me come inside. And after that, I'ma buy that Gucci and Dior. Cause we'll be up all night. I'ma hit that booty up so right. Oh, hit me up one time to make me murder that pussy tonight.
Okay. Starting strong with King Badger. smooth delivery, confident, chill, parang yung tipong I'm here, I'm cool, but I'm not trying too hard, parang ganong type ng approach. Tapos yung flow niya, effortless, medyo trap vibe na tag dito, new wave. Tapos may a little bit na stint ng or should I say tamang paggamit ng auto-tune. Tapos medyo flex on the lifestyle pero hindi pa ganun ka-loud. Parang saktuhan lang sa akin, and that's how you intro a song, no? Para sa akin parang hindi mo siya sasalpukin agad ng parang sobrang angas. And I think Badger is the right person that, you know, started this song. And also going back dun sa yung beat na to, ano siya, pang party talaga siya pero chill. Tapos parang perfect siya sa mga late night drives, pagpupunta kayo ng mga Antipolo overviewing, tapos mga tambay sessions, and you guys are setting up you know, your truck with beers, overviewing sa Antipolo. It's kind of like those vibes. And also pwede rin naman siyang pang party sa mga house parties or mga pang club. So it's a certified banger for me, kahit yun lang kasi may nare-recall ko na, or it could just you know, chill background music. So tuloy natin, punta tayo kay parang MC Ren.
I've been riding with the homies like, now baby, where you at? Send me your location now, tell me hurry up. Going in 100 to me, baby, where you at? Tell a friend we were calling, hurry up. We can pick you up early. You and your best things. Money ain't a thing, so better tell me why you like. Pretty sure we be up on.
Ito, yung kay MC Ren, comes with a more sharpness in the terms of like paggamit ng autotune, medyo makapal yung autotune and ang daming adlibs. So yung medyo may edge na, and also the lines have more edges than King Badger. Tas may konting swag na parang yung, you know, I'm the boss of this storyline. So yeah, it's clear in the new wave type of how you deliver the you know how you deliver the lines na sasabihin mo. Tas hindi siya masyadong lunod, so let's go back pa, pakinggan natin.
We can pick you up. Tell a friend we were calling, hurry up.
Angas yun, angas din ng chick niya, bro.
We can pick you up early. I've been riding with the homies like, now baby, where you at? Send me your location now, tell me hurry up. Going in 100 to me, baby, where you at? Tell a friend we were calling, hurry up. We can pick you up early. You and your best things. Money ain't a thing, so better tell me why you like. Pretty sure we be up.
So basically, he's just talking about you know, fetching the Ayababs, no? Susunduin yung mga babae kung nasan na kayo. Wala nang problema sa pera, wala nang problema sa ride, siya nang bahala. So where you at, no? So tuloy tayo kay Skastakli.
You can get anything you want, baby, tell me. Prada, Gucci, and Chanel, maybe LV. Just to get that booty right, being sexy. Call my number when you're ready, I'll be waiting for you, baby. I'll be up all night.
You know, mga bro, you can never hate this guy. Literally, you can never hate this guy, si Skasta, kasi Skastakli is the rap artist itself, then Daryl is the person. So let's not hate with Skasta. If you don't like, you know, his tracks or his songs, kung hindi nyo gusto yung mga kanta niya, you can literally hate for you know, you can literally hate Skastakli as an artist. However, if you liked it, and then like for example, may nagawa siyang mali tapos ayaw mo na sa kanya, you can hate the Daryl, right? Pero you can never hate Skastakli. Sobrang galing ng tao na to, and like right now tong song na to is more of like chill. Then he came with like a melodic trap flavor. Tapos may konting sing-song vibe pero hindi nakakainis, no? Sobrang lupit niya talaga. And flexing about luxury bags. I'm not saying bags or in general yung mga luxury brands rather. Tapos yung type ng chorus niya is di ka bibitinin. Tapos lyrics wise sobrang ganda, sobrang relax, may attitude, sobrang swag. That's how Skastakli is. So we never cease to be amazed by this guy pag siya na ang humawak ng mikropono and like nag-hook siya or even rapping. Sobrang galing talaga ng tao na to. Yung yabang niya, it suits himself dito sa song na to and sa lahat ng mga songs na napakinggan ko dahil sa kanya. So yeah, balik tayo.
Baby, I'll be up all night.
I don't fuck with anybody, any hoe, any mini bitch, yeah, they come, they go. I can even do some miracles, unfold. I'm the type that make a pussy beg on chokehold. I'ma beat that pussy, make it juicy for ya. I'ma make it blood, blow it dripping on ya. Let me cut the cake, put some icing on ya. Whip it, I said whip it, cream it for ya.
Life.
So dito na naman tayo, meron naman tayo mga explicit video, mga yamete videos, mga Japanese censored shit type na mga videos. Ayan. So going back with Kuya Brando, Kuya Brando has this distinct voice na parang kuya. I'm not sure if they just magkakaedad or kuya talaga si Brando, pero pag napakinggan mo yung boses niya, distinct. Pag napakinggan mo siya na agad yun. So parang it's like kuya. And also he talks about mas medyo bad boy yung sa kanya. So parang beat that pussy on ya. Tapos I'm gonna put icing, mga ganon, mga stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not hindi siya relatable sa akin kasi hindi ako pumaparty. joke lang. Yun. So well, the flow is natural. Tapos parang ito nakausap na namin sa Kuya Brando and the voice is ganun talaga yung boses niya and yung kulit niya ganun siya and typical like Brando na talagang pag pinakinggan mo yung lyrics, yun talaga yung niya, yung actually na isusulat niya. So yeah, pakinggan natin ulit.
Baby, I'll be up all night.
I don't fuck with anybody, any hoe, any mini bitch, yeah, they come, they go. I can even do some miracles, unfold. I'm the type that make a pussy beg on chokehold.
Yun, nakita niyo yun? Yung lyrics, tapos sinabay ng video. That's yun yung mga strong points ng X-Battalion. They can actually match the music video and on their lyrics. Parang ganun, no? Tingnan nyo.
Anybody, any hoe, any mini bitch, yeah, they come, they go. I can even do some miracles, unfold. I'm the type that make a pussy beg on chokehold. I'ma beat that pussy, make it juicy for ya. I'ma make it blood, blow it dripping on ya. Let me cut the cake, put some icing on ya. Whip it, I say whip it, cream it for ya.
Lifestyle bad.
Okay, balik tayo dito kay Kuya mo Flo G. Siyempre ang pinakahuli, gaya na sabi ko sa previous kong music video reaction, minsan lang ito mag-English pero solid. Pakinggan natin.
Put some icing on ya, whip it, I said whip it, cream it for ya.
Lifestyle bad then bougie. Feels like a movie. Everything I want comes to me.
Everything I want, like that, bro. Everything, like that, bro. I like that. Oh, what happened? Yeah.
Put some icing on ya, whip it, I said whip it, cream me fire.
Lifestyle bad then bougie, feels like a movie. Everything I want comes to me. There's a lot of city girls wanna come and see me, but I'm busy just waiting for you to call me on my iPhone 13 mini. Baby, promise I'll be there in 30 minutes. So be ready with your heart-shaped titties, booty, juicy, pussy, yeah I mean it. Let me feel it, don't worry, I got anything you need, babe. You can get.
Putang ina, napakaangas ni Flo G. Tang ina on the closer spot, solid, di ba? Energy, delivery, hindi siya ganun kabilis, hindi niya ganun kabilis deliver, but the pacing ng kanyang pag-deliver sa kanyang verse is so parang fit dito sa beat na to. Hindi pa rin nawawala yung sharpness niya kahit English verse to. Parang siya talaga yung naglalagay ng final punch sa track at feeling mo yan yung talaga yung tunay na climax. I'm not disregarding those who came first. They're like strong. As a whole group nga sila ex-battalion. But ang pinakasakit sa kanila, aminin natin sa lahat, Flo G. Diba? Flo G. So, pagpasok ni Flo G, he never expect him to do some English verses because a lot of, or all, rather all, diba? Hindi ko pa masyadong kilala ng ganun si Archie. Parang lahat ng kanyang tracks is made Tagalog songs and ratratan yun. And babanat siya dito ng English. And he gave justice about making English first. Parang sobrang lakas, di ba? Sobrang lakas ng taon to. And I think he already wrote this like years ago kasi kung papansin niyo, ang sabi niya is iPhone 13 mini. So that was like 3 years ago, right? 3 years ago niya nasulat, pero kahit na. So 3 years ago, ganun na siya kalakas magsulat ng verses niya. Gets niyo ako? Na English. Diba? Damn. That's hard. Diba? That's hard. Diba? That's hard. No? Talagang bow down ako dito kay Flo G, no? Hindi lang sa Tagalog, pati sa English na rin. Kasi 2 tracks na in-expose niya kahit na sabihin mo konti lang yung verses, and he can like do it, bro. He can like do it. Kaya niya makipag-collab sa Englishan. I'm saying this. Gusto ko makakita ng Heb Abi, Chris Delano, tsaka Flo G na Englishan. If I'm talking about, right? Wag na natin sama yung mga talagang Englisherong si Easy Meal, mga ganon, no? Wag na natin sali yun. Sila lang. Tapos parang new wave track, no? Ano masasabi niyo mga tol? Comment nyo below. Pag-usapan natin yan. Tuloy natin.
Anything you want, baby, tell me. Prada, Gucci, and Chanel, maybe LV. Just to get that booty right, being sexy. Call my number when you're ready. I'll be waiting for you, baby. I'll be up all night. Baby, I'll be up all night.
Baby, you can call me anytime you want it.
I'll be up all night.
Send me your location, now tell me hurry up.
I'll be up all night.
I don't fuck with anybody, any hoe.
Up all night.
Lifestyle bad and bougie.
Baby, I'll be up all night.
Nice to see Vince Greg again. Oh, so Vince Greg. Kasama talaga siya. So balik tayo dito mga tol. Yan, balik tayo. Ayos ba yung shades ko? That is a neon light shades. Pag may mga party tayong i-react, ito na ang ating palaging gagamitin. Neon light shades. Okay. Ayun. So, yun. Guys, sobrang angas, sobrang ganda, sobrang lupit na itong track na to. Ang tagal kong hinintay na i-react to. Gaya ng sabi ko on the previous na aking ni-react, kung hindi siya number 1, number 2, ito ganun din. Kung hindi to number 2, number 1 para sa akin to. Silang dalawa lang talaga. So, alam nyo kung bakit naging number 1 and number 2 kayong dalawang pares sa English. Kasi, minsan lang sila maglabas ng number 1 ay minsan lang sila maglabas ng English verses in English tracks. And I really appreciate it kasi sobrang on point nila. Hindi nila walang laylay. Walang laylay sa mga tracks na to. Nabigyan nila ng justice yung beat. Parang it's like listening to an international hip-hop group na, uy, sino yan? Like, gaya ng sabi ko ng previous kong nireact nung napakinggan ko yung Urban Dan, parang, uy, international din, sa bansa yan. So, it felt like that. No? Parang, yun yung, nung napakinggan ko yung dalawang English songs nila, or English track nila, parang, pakiramdam ko, uy, parang hindi ex-batalyon itong parang bagong grupo to, parang, international shit na to so yun yung naramdaman ko. And yung mga napakinggan ko mga songs din nila Chris Delano and Heb Abby, ganun din. And I want you guys to check it out, yung mga English tracks nila Chris Delano and Heb Abby. They're great, you know, they're lyrically genius pagdating sa sulatan. Takes time pero damn, those are the people that I've looked up to. So, masasabi ko lang mga tol, yung mga lines na medyo may kasamang lifestyle flex, sobrang ganun talaga yung mga, ganun talaga ex-batalyon, and I like it. Wala akong nararamdamang yabang sa kanya kasi kaya nilang ipagyabang. They do have it. And makikita nyo naman sa mga vlogs nila, even like buying watches for like 4.5 million, they can actually do it, no? Doon sa Hawk and choruses Kastakli, sobrang smooth, hindi nakakasawang ulit-ulitin. Pwede mo siyang itapon sa TikTok and then make a TikTok craze out of it. Tapos yung back and forth dynamics between the rappers, di sila nag-overtake, balance yung track. Hindi ko masabing balance pagdating kay Flowzy, or I'm just being biased. So sa production details mga tol, mga yung pagbuo ng beat na yon, galing talaga ni shit, sino nga yun? Just a second. Ayun, sino ba gumawa nito? Sino ba gumawa ng beat na to? Oh damn, right. So ang nag-produce pala nito is Daddy Sauce and made in TVN. Not sure who that is, but kala ko yung producer yung talagang producer nila, no? So si Skastakli pa yung gumawa ng beat na to, tsaka isa pa. Yun. So beat wise, solid trap fusion siya. You know, signature ng ex-batalyon na laging yung papakinggan kasi basta may distinctive na beat sila palagi, kung alam mo sila yung gumawa Tapos smooth, tama lang yung bass dito para sa akin, hindi siya sabog. And I'm using tingnan nyo, hindi ko na alam yung mga tawag ng mga equipment ko. So basta yun, gumagamit ako ng pang mix and mastering device just to check if the mastering is good. Maganda yung pagkakagawa. And I like it how it balanced the relaxed but hype mood. Gaya na sabi ko nung una. Yung pang barbecue, hangouts, antipolo overview. Pero pwede rin pang club. Right? Tapos, pagdating dun sa performance and delivery nila, ang astig dito about rapper, may kanya-kanyang style. Gaya na sabi ko nung una, si King Badger is just more of like a, new wave yung boses, pero medyo dim lang yung autotune niya. Tapos pagdating kay MC Ren, biglang kapal, new wave din. Tapos may different approach. Hindi nagkakaroon ng clash, smooth transition, tsaka solid yung presence. Tapos naka-level up na yung delivery nila compared to yung mga unang earlier ex-batalyon stuff, no? So, that is because siguro din naka-English verses sila. Pero ang galing, no? Parang galing ang galing nilang gumawa din ng lyrics for English verses. So, yun. Huli ko masasabi, guys, yung All Night, madali siyang pakinggan. ito yung klase ng kanta na pwede pakinggan ng paulit-ulit habang chillin o habang sabay-sabay kayo ng tropa nyo sa road trip or sa bar or sa house party or inuman, pwede rin. Hindi siya super loud pero effective at solid yung vibe niya. And also if you want an X-beat, track na mas relaxing pero may swag pa rin all night yon, then isunod nyo yung Make Her Dance nila, no? So sa sa mga tropa na mahilig sa trap and chill, add nyo na to sa playlist nyo mga tol, and yun, pakinggan nyo palagi. Pwede nga sa nagja-jogging to eh. So, yun lang mga tol. Maraming salamat. Ang dami ko na nasabi. Ang dami natin na pag-usapan. Masyado ako madaldal na naman. And sana pagpasensyahin nyo na. Ganito talaga ako mag-react. Hindi ako yung nagmamadali. So, maraming salamat sa pag-tune in mga tol. And maraming salamat sa pag-iintindi. And promise ko sa inyo mga tol, I'm doing my best to actually react every day and para mayroon tayong mapag-usapan dalawa. So, yun lang mga tol. Yun ang reaction ko sa All Night na X Battalion. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 out of 5 maybe. Yeah, 4 out of 5 na. So, maraming salamat and hanggang dito na lang ulit. Ako nga pala si Pau B na 1611 Drive-By, at kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa aking channel, hit mo na yung subscribe button, pati na rin yung bell button para updated ka dito sa mga nire-react natin, no? So, yan. Comment down below kung sino mga susunod nating i-react. Tatapusin ko lang tong XB tapos balik na tayo sa regular programming. So, maraming salamat ulit sa inyo mga tol. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung neon light shades ko. Hanggang dito na lang. 1611 Drive-By. Peace.